Hi, this is Jerri Sutherland with Realty Advantage, Galveston, Texas. I am doing some neighborhood tours of those subdivisions along the west end of Galveston Island. I'm starting with my neighborhood, Sea Isle. I'd like to show you some of the amenities in Sea Isle. This first part of the tour will include the beach, the community pier, our boat ramp, and our tennis courts. The second video will include our fire station number 8 here in the subdivision, our neighborhood park, and our pool. Hope you enjoy. If I can help you with any real estate needs, please contact me at 281-796-0153, and my website is jerri.advantagesoul.com. Thank you.